How to put reagents in Cobas e411. Now we will put this FSH reagent into the machine. Open the box and get the reagent. You can see the lot number, expiration date and barcode in the reagent. Just put the FSH on the empty slot of the reagent rotor. Make sure to open the cap of the reagent. Then bring the cap down but do not close it. This is called as reagent cap open or close mechanism. What is the purpose? It is to prevent reagents from evaporation and to promote ease of use. The mechanism is located on the back wall of the reagent rotor compartment and emerges when reagents need to be open or closed. Cups are opened before reagent pipetting or mixing and are closed when pipetting or mixing is completed. After we put the FSH reagent in the rotor, we must proceed now to the touchscreen monitor. Touch the word reagent on the uppermost part. These are the list of reagent that is currently inside the rotor of the machine. Make sure that the machine is on standby mode. Then look for the word reagent scan. Tap the word reagent scan. Then choose OK to proceed on scanning the reagents and the rotor. You can see now that the machine is scanning the reagents one by one. Now the machine is scanning the last reagent, which is in position 18. Hearing this sound means the reagent scan is finished. Now we can see that FSH reagent is already in the position 16 and has 100 remaining tests. This is only one way. We can also do manual registration. I will show it on my next video.